Hello, this is Abhishek for the session number UR150058. Today I need to do a program in C++ on friend function. My question is, write a C++ program to create a class called matrix using a 2D array of integers. Check the compatibility of two matrices to be added, subtraction, multiplication, and perform the operator for two matrices. Get the input through getData and display the result in quote function. Make all operators as friend function. Now proceed to the coding. Starting the program with the header files, standard header files, then creating a class called matrix. In that we are describing an array of size 30 30, that is for rows and columns, and in public we are taking void get data, in which we will be taking all the rows, the columns, and it is simply we are entering allowing the user to enter the matrix information, that is rows and columns. Then display data, it will display the resultant matrices. Then we have used the friend function here. The friend function states that the whatever is in the private can be used to the program. Then we'll go to main function. Uh, int main, the matrix m1 m2 m3, we created three objects, and then ch is equals to 1, while ch is greater than equals to 1 and ch is less than equals to 3. Three conditions are there, three cases, that is addition, subtraction, and multiplication. For case 1, uh, first it will check the compatibility of the matrix, whether it can perform operations or not. For checking that, it is bool operator is equal to matrix 1 and m2. That takes is m1 rows, that is m1 is matrix 1, m2 is matrix 2, means rows of matrix 1 is equals to rows of matrix 2 and column of matrix 1 is equals to column of matrix 2. Then the matrix is compatible, otherwise it is not compatible to perform the various further operations. Then uh, it goes to the, if you have chosen case 1, that is addition, m1 get data and m2 get data, it will take the data for both the operation, then check the compatibility. If it is there, then it will add and store in m3, otherwise it won't store, and it will display. Similarly for subtraction, it will get data and check the compatibility, and it will store, and will do subtraction. See, it's taking matrix 1, matrix of subtraction, taking matrix m1 and m2, entering the elements and check the compatibility. It is, then it will display and perform. Similarly for multiplication, that is case 3, we have chosen multiplication. It will take the data of m1 and m2 and perform the operation. Now I'm going to run and show you the program. First we'll check the compatibility. We'll first put wrong 2, uh, enter the choice. To enter the choice, we took subtraction. Enter the rows 2, columns 2. Enter the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter the rows. Now we are not putting the same rows. 1, and enter the column 3. Enter the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix is not compatible. It is because the rows and columns are different. Enter the choice 1. Enter the rows 2. Enter the column 2. Enter the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter the rows 2. Enter the columns 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. The resultant matrix has been displayed. Now we will perform the subtraction 2. We have chosen subtraction to the rows 2, under the column 2, under the matrix 11, 8, 5, 5, 4, enter the rows 2, under the columns 2, 0, 9, 8, 7. The resultant matrix has been displayed. Thank you for watching the video.